Kung ibilin ka lang binilula, ikaw lang isa, kaya mo? Kung ibilin ka binilula, ikaw lang isa, kaya mo? Come on. Yeah, come on. You're almost here. You're almost here. You're very brave, little girl. Yay! Sige, dali pa gid. Tumagimay na lang. Very good. Okay. And Rachel has lots and lots of fans here. Children of Latasan. Yeah, ya uya sandal gitu. Ay abo. So this village is having a cluster of houses made up of bamboo and either grass leaves, thatched roof, or GI sheets.